Yeah, hey, this is just another quick video about a bit of software that is kind of interesting that maybe you want to use if you're a teacher. So it's another Google product and it's called JamBoard. So if you go to jamboard.google.com, you'll see it. And let me log into the other account here. So basically it's just a shared whiteboard, and it works like any other Google product in that you can do plus and add a new one, and then you can share it with other people. So like I could share it, well, let me show you. So if I share it with myself, and in this case can edit, but you can change it to can view, of course, and send, and then done. Now if I open up my Gmail, I should have an invitation there. Yeah. So there's the invite, and it's just a regular whiteboard, but you can share it with other people, which is kind of nice. You can share it with your students. Your students can add stuff, remove stuff, if you choose to have them have the capability to edit. This isn't really as like polished and finished though as some of the other Google products. So like for instance, you see it doesn't have the file menu stuff, so it doesn't have revision history. And so unfortunately I found out if you do clear frame, it clears everything and you can't just get it right back like you can with Google Docs and Sheets and stuff. But you can add multiple pages to it. Of course you can, write and scribble, and there's a laser pointer thing, and which is kind of nice. You see that? So if I were using this for one of my other videos that I did, I might say like, okay, this is the ROM, this is whatever chip, and so on. And it's really simple and stuff. But what's kind of neat is that you can, again, share it with your students if your school's G Suite account has it available, which I found that my school's G Suite account does not. So they'd have to enable it and maybe even pay for it. I'm not positive. But they'd have to enable it at least. And then once your school has it though, you can, for instance, send it to students to have them create like a virtual bulletin board type of thing. You can have each student create their own JamBoard for that matter, and have them add stuff like just like a bulletin board basically, or like doing a poster. Now, granted, you can do some of that stuff in like PowerPoint as well, but PowerPoint's really for presentations, and this is really whiteboard software. So, it's still different, but it's a neat little tool. And the thing is, if it gets more usage from people like us, from teachers and just people in general, then Google will actually, hopefully, put some, effort into making it good and adding those features that are missing and stuff. And so that would be really nice, because if they made it something even more like Microsoft Whiteboard, right, with just a few extra features, it would be super nice. So yeah, that's about it. It's a shareable whiteboard that you can have your students add to after class or even before class or whatever. And yeah, so hopefully that helps somebody out there. All right, enjoy.